height just
you
lick
come
next
for
to that,
the media
fall
come
to
for
our
that the
T-boss.
problem. The media, yeah, fuck up the media, girl.
May I do what?
And yeah, fuck up the media with your love life. Yeah, fuck up the media with your love life. And
I know me alone.
I just that I want to talk about the love life. I'm not interested in nothing more.
Oh,
You know,
okay. Want me to my love life?
all right. This big whole thing going on with you and the artist and the back and front. I believe you.
The back and forth.
The back
Back and forth.
yeah,
Right.
I believe you because if you put the cocky in your mouth and you own it a couple of years ago, me not see why you would tell a lie on a boy. And the
But
world boss,
remember, say God
the
said the
world
truth
boss
shall set
bigger
you
than a
free,
boy.
right?
The world boss bigger than a boy. So me not think you would tell a lie on a man. Me not a boy, me not style it.
Right.
But
Right.
me just say, you have the big boss in your pocket, so why you that tell lie on a small boss? So there must be truth to it.
Right.
So, question. 3 questions and you can't cut me off. Did you pregnant for Dexta that?
If what?
Did you pregnant for Dexta? Did you was pregnant for Dexta?
If I was pregnant for
Yes.
Dexta? Yes, I was. I lost the baby in the hospital. Actually, I was in a pool when I started feeling the pain. And his friend is also my friend, right? And I'm not gonna call the person's name. His friend is also my friend. And I started feeling, straight. And I started feeling a lot of pain. And his friend's mother and his friend called the ambulance for me and they took me to the emergency room.
Mm-hmm.
That's when I lost. Well, you do that with the chair for me pregnant. You know well want to kill my pitney, you know, don't fuck with me, you think me a joke? You know hear me say me I keep my enemies closer than my friend. You think me don't know who you be? Test me. Test the water and see if you're not drowned. Pussy. Give me this. How much me I feel, Prento? How much me I feel? You want it now? Alright, give me, Alright. Pampute, stop suck pussy. Stop follow your friend Spice and suck pussy and go look at cocky broke off. If you don't know for broke it, me will teach you. Me tell you, if you go ask Pinky Fabulous about me and my sister. I want to hold you, see? When I come around me and I play hypocrite like you don't think me a blood clot idiot. I smile. And I wink with the eye that ate me without a cause. Feel me an idiot? Go back so now.
Lisa gone to bed. I got always ride with Lisa. Team Lisa, me say straight.
When me actually say she gonna fuck up that all, you know. Me know say that she say a lot of things, you know. But she have to let it go now. Just focus on herself. You can't seek validation from people. Just do what you
And
do.
Chita, you know what? Me they want to go up to the on her live, you know, because me they want to deliver a blood clot message to Pampute, you know. Pampute a clown out Lisa. Now me I talk and say, because you know my head trippy. She want to clown out Lisa hype and going she can style Lisa. Me never like it. If you come up on the panel and you want to say, Lisa, I love your girl, me never they say yet. So just leave me out of the argument. You can't say so. But when you come up and going to say you can violate Lisa and going to can style her, but she's a mad woman and she stick and she forgot Bellevue and people help her. You can't style Lisa, you can't say she need God.
Let me tell you
Pampute can't say Lisa need God because when she done rub up blood clot some of the money, she didn't need God. She didn't need God. When she that thief from the poor woman blood clot with she name Baba Lita and I take her things and I style the woman. She never did need God.
Darling, this is what me say. Me never gonna argue with people who really don't around each other. You see, when people around each other and them really know each other and them a friend, make you say nothing no go so. Me never did it. So like I said, I feel like she's venting. Everybody did their own them one another.
Lisa, come up here now, Lisa, cause you see you too. Come up, man. Come up, send a request and come up, good girl. Cause me I tell her from man, me the part other you say never see. Come here.
all me see one friend we go live the other day and I talk about she recording because if Lisa do her something or she lick Lisa down or whatever. My thing is, if you're recording for your safety, that's one. Okay. You're recording for your safety. You say you know her for years, right?
Mm-hmm.
2. So you know she stay already. Where you go live for? Where you post it for? You should have just kept that shit in your phone. You get what me I say? So it's like people are using the opportunity. I don't think she mad. I don't think you're mad,
She
Lisa.
don't mad.
Talk about the steps
And
she
when she
set up.
talk, she be fierce, auntie. You have to be fierce. I could be fair and look into it. You know. Remember, say Lisa alone did blood clot loyal, you know. When everybody did blood clot switch, bad to bad, fear is fear. Me I go geek spice her flowers, so she stand up for blood clot cartel door. Accept the request she say. She did stand up for cartel too.
I
Spice
don't see her.
did I represent theme, but Lisa and Spice was representing for Gaza. Everybody else did switch. Everybody else
Lisa,
did
you have
blood
to
clot
send in
switch.
the request. When I see the request. Oh, we see it. Sorry, babes. I see it.
Everybody did blood clot switch. So when them a go on like them not violate her, cause she stand firm for blood clot cartel. She did stand
We
firm
feel
for the
like,
blood clot and
and
she never switch.
to
And she could
honest,
have
we
switched.
feel like,
Yeah, what me I say now?
and everybody feel stay
Spice
outside them
did a stand
argument.
up for Gaza because that is a marketing strategy.
Oh,
She no love
oh
cartel.
blood,
Remember
blood
when me and
clot.
Nara war and Negril, she tell me say me fuck the craniest man in the business. That is what she said to me.
Yeah.
The night when them vice ramping shop, Adi fuck her around her father Romy studio and she
Jesus
shot
Christ.
Adi.
Yeah.
She shot him. She gave him an infection.
Yeah, there.
She gave him
Yeah.
an infection. That
Sorry,
the next thing is
I'm me, on my phone.
every time she come a studio, she used to carry Saint Mary
Oh,
banana
this
chips
now.
for
Hold
him.
on.
And him used to left them right on the studio corridor where we used to sit on pan because she feel like she could have used food and catch my general. My general don't love him belly.
Mm-hmm.
You see what me I say? Pampute now, she a clown
So,
out for
Leah,
herself.
when,
Pampute a clown out for herself. And me tell you why
when I,
Pampute a clown out for herself. When me and Pampute a war, every day me dey a Fletcher's land and she have to see me and love it. And when them couldn't take it
so,
no more, because them time them me and killer did a link. Them time them me and the dance for Fletcher's land when him killer did a link. So him me did a go link. Him me did a down there a link at the time. And you know what them do? When them couldn't take it no more, them set up killer and make killer dead.
Jesus
Me not
Christ.
need to tell you lie.
me not think you lie about certain things. Well, a certain, only thing though, Lisa,
Yeah, me not think
don't
them a lie.
blame
And
up on
my
the
thing
fix
is,
yesterday. Me not feel you lie. Me feel like
my
you
thing
have
is
help
anti
and you are,
Momo. My thing is
hold on,
when we
Dolly,
want
hold
to,
on, Dolly. Hold
yeah.
on, Dolly. My thing I got in and out. And you really did the round there. So nobody can
Remember,
really tell you a
you
story
know,
because you really did the
what day,
round
you
them.
know, the 25th of November, you know. 25th of November for my birthday when me have dinner and something with Pinky and her baby father Transformer and what the next one name? The next little pretty one will come from country but she travel. Sandra Rose. Him did there too. All of a sudden me just see Pampute appear. Come hug me up, tell me happy birthday and she wish me all blessings and whatever. She come for hug me up and rub her goose up on me, but it no work. It no work, Pampute. You can't wink. You can't wink. Wink the eye that ate me without a cause. Me know my Bible. Pampute. So when you tell me say me need prayer, all when you go to church and pastor put them hand on your head and pray for you. If you don't know God yourself, you go dead same blood clot way. Cause I know the pastor's thing. Are you? I hear
So Lisa,
saying.
let me ask you a question. So when everybody I say you're mad out right now, you feel say are you going through something? Are you in your
Going through
zone now?
what? When me I go through. Me use the same thing
No,
where them use for listen. The
yeah.
same thing where them use for bring me down, I it me use to carry me up back as a marketing strategy. I plan the whole thing. Even when me did go up on spy show and tell them say, oh, me did have what you call her something? That's something that where Tifa says she have. Me plan it. And me purposely tell them say me never did a breed for true. All along me have the picture in my phone with my belly. When my friend send me, Teresa, I feel her baby me having a man in the red dress. All of my
Okay.
close friend them have that picture there. I just never
So,
ready for drop it yet.
so the baby thing is not real. But you're running with it.
What you
Marketing.
mean? You not understand what I say to you, girl. Look
No, I'm
on the picture.
confused.
You can't fake
She
a
did pregnant for
pregnancy.
sure. Each
Look
herself.
at
She
the
did get
picture. Why
pregnant.
would I do that? That's a
No,
baby we're talking about.
Okay. All right, I'm not gonna tell a woman them story. So yesterday, no, you say you're pregnant from the fix. So that's why people are say you're mad, right?
All right.
So
Here what?
this is
Here what?
all
Here what?
marketing.
Remember, my
Not
husband
all
call
of it.
me. Remember, my husband call me Mary. Me and Mary to blood clot later.
Yeah, that's what we hear him say yesterday. Don't get mad, Lisa. But just as Lisa said her husband call her Mary. What think Lisa darling off and the
My thing
husband thing do
is,
you know?
auntie, my thing is, but I just want them.
Dexta jumps aside. Me feel like she a vent and she just attack real shit.
Me a real girl, me stand a blood clot loan, but blah 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 blah. Slam blah. Ah! Calm down, Queenie.
Calm down, Queenie.
Queenie, calm down.
Bella.
Roger, Mr.
I say I'm
Roger.
upset,
The
you
Lord
know.
is my
I say
shepherd, I
last
shall
night I'm
not
upset. I
want.
dip on my live, I watch it, and I say people, I don't like that. Because I know him had you and make you come up this year and take you down.
One more I
No like
want.
that.
Roger, one more I want. May I ask you something?
No skinny talk, do. No skinny talk, do. Remember TikTok, them sensitive.
Me not asking up my well blood clot dress up to blood. Roger, one more that blood clot, drunk a blood clot, draw breaks want.
Yeah.
You take a dead man blood clot zone. Forget, you're the only blood clot somebody will go up on a dead man zone. Forget acknowledgement. Check the ratio. You're dead like the fart to come out of my bottle to blood clot. I just going to the toilet this morning. And when me a shit to blood clot, I make sure I record it. Roger. I war with me and blood clot, blam them, nobody don't know you. Nobody now call you for bookings, looking at blood clot tookings. Blam them look for me and Roger right here, sure. Talk to me blood clot nice, Roger. I want fly in your head. Nicki's a blood clot, two-sided blood clot cutlass. Booty. Nicki up on everybody blood clot side. So don't get this thing blood clot twisted, blam them. Today for me and tomorrow for bumper pussy. Come suck out on the blood clot that. Come lubber juice blood clot me, blam them. Come summer sauce in the blood clot me. Blam them I put on red danger. I'm ready for your dirty blood clot, blam them. Slam blood clot, blam them. You saw me the favorite blood clot cough. I got Bella Italian, make Bella out my blood clot face. And take the coconut bump and take one brush and brush out the blood clot and sleek it to the blood clot side. I want the blood clot, me not hard for fix. Blam them! Make me hear you talk them with my bumper blood
The
clot.
queen is here, the queen is here.
Roger, I wonder if me have your number. Calm down.
The queen is here. Me I go send it in your inbox.
It come like me have your number.
Me I go send
Me hear
it.
you talk about this. Roger, me not sleep to blood clot. Me say that thing to me.
No, I mean, hey, when me did that, me I say, hey, right now, me know the queen dark. She a class, you know. She a class.
Roger, a good me want drunker blood clot draw breath. Me want peel a drunker to
You
blood
too
clot.
disrespectful. Because the next thing too, him know you and Nicki go. Don't do that.
Thank you, Roger Queen Wave to that.
Him
That's
know you
why I
and
do a
Nicki
video,
go.
so Roger, you want to see a
Don't do that.
blood clot, girl. I don't mean make you nasty period. Roger, me just tell blood clot blam them a while ago for a video over Instagram. Me da! You want to lick out blood clot, my battle. You come out of my battle, come lick out your blood clot self. He's a fart, he's an old fart. Be a release and make fart be free wherever you be. So that's why you can't free on this blood clot, people. Here, there, every blood clot here. But me there have to tear out your blood clot. Because me not have enough here. Me not need Nicki Minaj for my blood clot side. She can't take back the promised blood clot. Promise blood clot prodigal queen and a move on a blood clot. The queen stand a blood clot alone. Me build my blood clot self from the gutter. You're nobody. Who are you? Where do you come from? I smell it through my fucking heart. I hear it through my motherfucking ears. Who are you, blam them? Mr. Roger, take deep breath, Queenie, and calm down, because you look good in a blood clot. I go to me buy that shoes, I'm have my blood clot. Mr. Blam them. Blam them.
Oh, Tada.
Blam blood clot them. Roger, me never know you over there.
Over there, watch.
Him not have no manners.
Remember, I know, me like Nicki too, you know, so me over there, me a listen and thing, and when me see you pop up in the box, me just hear him start this year and take you down. Me say, what that for? Come on, man, I don't like that.
Thank you. And Nicki was talking to Disha Rivers about something very constructive. But when...
I know what him do. I add him audio, when he answer him this year and take you down.
Yeah.
That's what him do.
At the fittest of the blood, yeah, new blood clot moon. All blood clot room know the corners. You hear that? Pussy one when you say big blood clot woman, you come stifle up in on my blood clot battle because you can't stifle me, blame them. Blame them if I that for make Nicki not do one blood clot courage. I really collage. Move on a blood clot. Me have to survive. On a can't style for blood clot me. On a can't style blood clot me. Me build blood clot myself by myself. Me, my blood clot self and I. Me true authentic blood clot self. Blame them. How the blood clot you feel like them? Like a piece of tail blood clot. Dirty blood clot. And a scribbling. And a blood clot.
The wrong unless him rake up, you know. He don't know the wrong unless should we give him 40 days and 40 nights.
How fucking dare you?
One more.
Who the fuck are you? I am the fucking queen. Me there before blood clot Nicki Minaj. And that you for bomber wall. Crutches. Ears blood clot wall, nose wall, eye wall, and blood clot asshole. Me there pan this before Nicki Minaj a new blood clot moon pan this. Why you think you can come this blood clot me? Me all vet a blood clot run. Slam bam tank your blood clot come skin out and name out on the blood clot this. Oh, the blood clot, dude. I'm busy this TikTok one, man.
You remember TikTok, you can't do.
I do not care. You know how much hours me the year I wear? You know how much hours, Roger? Me make sure some know I look like now picky, blood clot, peeled, drunk, and I prefer my head favor one coconut blood clot bunk. Slide yes, sir. Slip this, sir. And cock up blood clots this, sir. I am the fucking queen. Marian. Me set blood clot foundation before when Nicki get blood clot platinum. Me they are wall under the blood clot mud with blood clot uno. I want the blood clot, every blood clot was all me. Any blood clot situation a meme. Check the blood clot TikTok a meme. Dirty slam bam tag. Go look I walk drunk and come lick out me lick out. Bite out me bite out. Chow out me chow out. Out slam bam thank your blood clot madam. Sladam. Me make sure I go for my red. Red is danger.
Danger.
And I am happy that Roger, I love you. Roger, me get her and sexy and look good. So boy, me say Ivan put on a blood clot. Oof. Me say Roger, hear me I watch your Ivan, you know. Me say me I go calm down, Queenie. Queenie, calm down. Reading. Are your blood clot things? You are fat out of body hole. Check the ratio. We hear the holy panels and smell the blood clot, ras clot, thinkings and can't see. Are you can't see. You can't see the fucking queen. Me the all grey pussy blood clot.
This the queen. Me not see nobody a come this the queen.
How?
Nobody a come this queen. Me not see nobody a this the queen.
Wow, you turn Nicki Minaj blood clot. Help her / blood clot. Assistant. So you feel like you can this. Me don't blood clot try that, brother. Me's a wrong blood. You notice me in a people blood clot passa until people trouble me. You notice all we are going on the internet, me no bala sclabba labba blabba blood. Me no want no blood clot body come take them blood clot teeth and take up the push them blood clot out of my bumper blood clot, blame them. Lord me I rebuke in the mighty name of Jesus. You don't know your identity. Me know me have 50 blood clot 5 and my pussy grey a man blood clot man to me I never eat me. Never blood clot like me, never want me, I still blood clot yet me, I'm alive. Cause me murder and we a white blood clot. Just me proud of everything we do me. The good, the bad, and the indifferent. Blame them talk to me. Who are you? Nicki have a heart. Big up your blood clot, says Nicki Minaj or any blood clot Marge is. Nicki, I one thing with blood clot. My family come here watch blood clot TV. I always say nobody can blackmail me. And let me tell you blood clot. You have a heart, Nicki? You might video call blood clot, slam them, shit them, fart them, birch blood clot them. Two. You have a heart for stomach him. For the nation to know you. And you get up, you tear out people pussy tongue, you tear out your eye tongue, you tear out people's blood clot nose tongue, you tear out people pussy blood clot body tongue. I want the blood clot do you. Are you credible? Put me here to the blood clot test. Check on stage. Check blood clot Anthony Miller. Check Chug It. Dream Weekend. Check Sands. Check O2 Arena and the little fibber blood clot baba them. My blood clot rain, me a queen. I want the blood clot there, me a...
The queen is there. The queen is there.
I would have beat up the dot. Me say I would have take your Nicki to blood clot and bang the two on the head together. Don't fuck with me. I prefer dead for blood clot.
Let them why you do this.
I take your Nicki head and bang the two on the
That's the way you put Nicki in a blame them. And the queen you ramp with it up. You swear you put Nicki in a.
Nicki like it.
Oh, you see this problem, the queen.
Nicki like, if Nicki rich and have nothing to do with her blood clot money, so she sit down and will entertained by her. And thank God she recognize us as Jamaican. Because we's a set of shit blood clot pit, but she sure you say. She down to earth and she sit down on the blood clot sidewalk with me. That's why I can't tell you some more that take your blood clot head and lick pan Nicki blood clot head. Blam! No Nicki blam them. So what me I gonna do? No Nicki blood clot blam them.
Yeah,
Nicki blam them. Nicki blam blood clot them. Blam them, they are hungry now blood clot.
Blam them, you go get Nicki in trouble. You only make people disrespect. Blam them, you have to stop it, blam them.
For work for my one. I'm a own my blood clot composure. Raja, make Raja blood clot telling the theme there. Last year when I over TikTok and TikTok I send blood clot gift for me. And then I play the game and class in the classing game. In the classing game.